Hello guys, welcome to Gamedevelopedia. So from today we are going to start new series where we are going to learn C Sharp from beginner to advanced for Unity engine. And at the last of this series, we are going to create a new project where we will be implementing everything which we have learned throughout this whole series. And also we will learn how to implement add mob or Unity ads in our project. And also we will build our project to upload it on Play Store. So yeah, let's start the tutorial. And also I'm not going through the process of downloading and how to access this all components. What are these all components? And if you need the tutorial on this also, then comment down. I will also bring that tutorial. But in this series, we are going to just focus on programming part, C Sharp part of Unity game engine. So first of all, what is C Sharp? So C Sharp is nothing. It's a programming language, and it is an object-oriented programming language that can be used to develop a variety of applications, and including web apps, desktop apps, mobile apps, and games. And it was created by Microsoft. And why does Unity uses C Sharp? The reason is simple. Yeah, C Sharp has a very robust memory management system, and of course, games need a robust memory management system because games are really performance. Uh, like what do we call it? It is performance intensive, and yeah, C Sharp is really simple to learn. If you are from programming background, it will be really simple for you to learn C Sharp for Unity. So we will in today's lecture or in today's tutorial, we will not go in depth. We will just learn some basic like how to print on console and how to perform any action when we click a specific key on our keyboard. So yeah, let's start the tutorial. So first of all, go to your project and then right click here into the assets folder and then click go to create, and here you will see mono behavior script. If this option is not showing, then just go to scripting and then mono behavior script, and we will name our script first script. And now in order to execute this script, we need to attach this script to an object which is present in our scene or in the game view. So let's do that. Just go to hierarchy, right click, create empty, name it first script. Okay, then we need to attach our script to the specific game object in order to be executed. Now double click our first script and open it. So the code which you are seeing on the screen is default code which is provided by Unity, and let's go line by line through this code and understand what this means. So first, on the first line, using is a keyword, and this Unity engine is a library which contains all the classes, functions, and variables, and etc. And what is this public class first script mono behavior? So public class first script is a class which will contain all our code. Class is nothing but class contains all our functions, variables, whatever we write throughout this class block gets executed. So let's understand what is void start. So void start is a function which gets executed only once throughout the game lifespan. Okay, means whenever we click on play, the first function which gets executed is void start, and this gets executed only once. Now let's go on to the void update. Now what is void update? So void update gets executed every frame. You can also assume like every millisecond. Yeah, you can also assume that every millisecond means each frame will execute this void update. Means whatever code we write into the void update gets executed throughout the lifespan of our entire game until we quit the game. Okay, so these two are the main basic functions which we use regularly. There are also some functions like awake. Now, what is this awake function? This awake function gets executed as soon as we click start. Okay, so let's print something onto our console. So here is the console. Wait a second, let it do the stuff. So here is our console. So this console displays all the errors, warnings, and logs, whichever comes at the runtime or at the compile time. So what is difference between compile time and runtime error? So compile time error is whenever we write a script and go to our Unity, and here directly the error is shown. It is known as compile time error, and the error which occurs when we click on play and in between the gameplay the error occurs, that is known as the runtime error. Okay, so let's go to void start and do something with this. So what we will do, we will print something onto our console whenever we click on start or play button. So for that we will use Debug.Log hello world. So here instead of hello world we will write hello unity. Okay, so as we wrote this function inside the start, sorry, as we wrote this line inside the start function, so this will get executed only once when we will click on play. So let's see what happens. See, as soon as the scene loaded, here hello unity got printed. Okay, so now what if we wrote this line inside void update? What do you think? What will happen? As void update, this function gets executed every frame throughout our game lifespan. This hello unity will get printed multiple times. Okay, so let's see what happens. So as you can see here, it is getting printed multiple times. Okay, so now what if we wrote this line inside awake? What will happen? So awake function gets called as soon as the game object gets activated. So let's see what happens. Let me clear the console. and click on play. See, as you can see, Hello Unity got printed as soon as we clicked on play. Okay, so now what if I want to print this line whenever I press any key on my keyboard? So for that, we will need if condition. We will learn this conditions and all this stuff later, but I am just demonstrating you how this system works. If input.get key down key code equal to space. So what this line does, whenever I press space bar, this will print this debug line, means hello unity. Okay, so let's see what happens. So as you can see, our console is clear and I am hitting space bar. See, we got hello unity line. If I press it again, yeah, if I press it again, see the count of number is increasing. Okay, so yeah, this was all for today. And also, please in comment section recommend me how should I record my tutorials, or is it fine? Because this is my first series which I am going to start, and also you can assume that this is my first video. So yeah, I need your recommendations, and I will try to improve myself. And this was everything for today. In further lectures, we will go in depth and learn some different things like destroying the object, how to move the objects, and etc. Lots of things. Yeah, make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. And yeah, for today, this is enough. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and also recommend me how should I record.